Start off the soup season with an easy roasted butternut squash tomato soup. To prepare the squash, start by peeling its outer skin, cutting it in half lengthwise, and then scooping out the insides. Cut each half into slices, and then cut the slices into 1 to 2 inch cubes. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and transfer the cubes of butternut squash on the tray, and also add the carrots and the onions. For the garlic, cut off the top of the bulbs and place them in the center of the tray. I also like adding some red bell peppers to give it more color, and then drizzle the entire tray of veggies with olive oil, making sure to get a good amount on top of the garlic bulbs. Sprinkle the veggies with some salt and then place the tray aside. To roast the tomatoes, you'll need a 9x13 baking tray, then cut the Roma tomatoes in half lengthwise, place them in the dish, then sprinkle them with some olive oil, and then sprinkle on some salt and the oregano. Place the tray of veggies and the tomatoes in the preheated oven for an hour, and then once nice and roasted, remove the garlic from the veggie tray and transfer the roasted veggies to a large Dutch oven. Take the cooled bulbs of garlic and squeeze out all the cloves into the Dutch oven, and you also want to add all of the roasted tomatoes with all of those delicious juices. Pour in 4 cups of your favorite broth. Here I'm using chicken, and make sure that all of the veggies are in the broth. Bring to a simmer, and then you'll notice that the skins of the tomatoes are going to start to fall off. You can go ahead and remove those from the pot. Keep cooking for 15 minutes, and then take an immersion blender and blend until smooth. Make sure to taste the soup so you can adjust the seasoning accordingly, and you're ready to enjoy. I like to garnish mine with some pumpernickel croutons and some freshly grated Parmesan. My butternut squash tomato soup is such a great and easy way to enjoy the fall flavors, so make sure to get the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.